Hello everyone. In the last class, I have explained about mortality rates. We have discussed only two concepts, that is CDR and ASDR. Today, first I am going to discuss about these three, that is infant mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate, and maternal mortality rate. Okay, so after the completion of this, we'll see STDR. And only 2 marks problems will be asked in the examination about IMR, NMR and MMR. Infant mortality rate, IMR. Infant means what? Children aged less than 1 year. Okay, so death rate of children aged less than 1 year is infant mortality rate. What it is defined? It is defined as average number of infant deaths per 1000 live births in a year. Okay, and infant mortality rate indicates the level of health, nutrition and socio-economic development of a region, how the region is. Okay, so we can find out how the region is. Socio-economic condition it may be, and nutrition and health condition. Okay, we can find out with the help of the result of this. The rates can be calculated for males and females separately. Okay, it can be calculated for males and females separately. And stillbirths are not included in the infant deaths. Stillbirths, okay, after the birth of the baby is considered for the calculation of infant mortality rate. Before birth, it is not considered. Okay, that is called stillbirths. The formula is given by IMR is equal to number of deaths among the infants in the year by total number of live births in the same year into 1000. Okay, very simple example I have taken here. For 2 marks it will be. Okay, only for 2 marks. These three concepts will be only for 2 marks in the examination. We'll consider this. In a town, in a year, 73,715 live births occurred, and of these, 3,750 infants died in the same year. Compute IMR. Very simple. They have given the data directly. Write the formula, substitute and get the result. Here IMR is equal to 50.87. Okay, into 1000 is compulsory because we are calculating per 1000. Next is neonatal mortality rate. Neonatal mortality rate, NMR. Neonatal babies means babies aged less than 28 days. Okay, babies aged less than 28 days are called neonatal babies. It is defined as average number of neonatal deaths per 1000 live births in a year. Okay, here is a note again. Around 60% of infant deaths are neonatal deaths. Okay, so among the infant deaths, 60% will be infant death only. Infants, neonatal, that is babies of 28 days. Okay. Next, formula is given by NMR is equal to total number of deaths of neonatal babies in a year by total number of live births occurring in the year into 1000. Here is an example. In a city, 3000 live births occurred in a particular year. The number of neonatal deaths was 75. Calculate NMR. As usual, write the formula, substitute, get the result. Here NMR is equal to 25 per 1000 it is. Again 2 marks problem. Next is maternal mortality rate, MMR, maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate, what is maternal mortality? The meaning is while giving birth to a child, the death of the mother is considered as a maternal mortality. It is defined as average number of deaths among mothers due to causes relating to childbirth per 1000 births in a year. If a mother dies while giving birth to a child, okay, that is called as maternal mortality rate. Okay, and here is a note, this maternal mortality rate is also called as puerperal deaths. Here is the formula, MMR is equal to total number of deaths of mothers due to childbirths in a year by total number of births in a year into 1000. Here is an example. In a locality, in a specific year, 2500 births occurred. In the case of 25 above, the mothers died due to childbirth. Compute MMR. Okay, so MMR, write the formula. You have to write the formula here. It carries 1 mark. Substitute. Okay, and simplify, you'll get 10. MMR is equal to 10. Again 2 marks problem. Okay, I have given you example as a homework. Next, we'll consider the next part, that is standardized death rates, STDR. This is very important. STDR is used for comparing death rates of two populations. Okay, so this is the rate we are using to compare the death rates of two different populations. It is defined as the weighted average of ASDRs of population by taking standard population as weights. Here standard population is used as weights. Without standard population we cannot calculate STDR. And before we calculate STDR we need ASDR. Okay, so age specific death rate is important here. This age specific death rate we have calculated already in the last class. To calculate STDR we have a formula. STDR for first locality we have considered A, and for second it is B. Two different populations. Okay, that is STDR is equal to summation P into A divided by summation P. Again for one more population I have taken it as a B, summation PB divided by summation P. P means standard population. A is ASDR for population A. B is ASDR for population B. Okay, so this STDR is very very important. If you see the previous year question papers, in maximum question papers you can see 10 marks first problem. Based on this concept, 10 marks first problem will be on STDR. Okay, sometimes it may be asked for 5 marks also. We'll differentiate that while solving the examples. This is very very important. This concept itself is very very important. You have to concentrate more on this. Okay, and in this whole chapter, first vital statistics chapter, 10 marks problems. Total fertility rate may be asked for 10 marks, or STDR may be asked for 10 marks. We have merits here. It is a good measure of mortality, giving importance to age groups. Okay, as we are using ASDR. Okay, it is giving importance to age groups. And next one, this is very very important again. It can be used for comparison of mortality of 2 or more populations. Okay, this is the only one measure we are using for the comparison of two populations, mortality of two different populations. Again we have demerits here. It requires standard population. It requires standard population. Without standard population we cannot calculate STDR. Standard population will be given in the example itself. Okay, but it is bit difficult to select it. It is difficult to select the standard population, but for your calculation directly they'll give you the standard population. You can calculate very easily. Okay, next, it is dependent on the age structure of the standard population. Okay, so we are using ASDR, age specific death rates. Okay, so the same thing they have given here. It is dependent on the age structure of the standard population. I have considered only one example today, that is for 5 marks. I am calculating only for one population here. The same calculation will be there for two different populations. Okay, they'll give you age group, okay, in years, population they'll give you, deaths, and standard population. Here standard population and population, they are different. Okay, these two columns you have to prepare, that is ASDR, age specific death rate. As you all know, age specific death rate, death by population into 1000, death by population into 1000, that is 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000. If you calculate, you will get 30. 240 divided by 10,000 into 1000, you will get 24. Similarly, you can do all these. Okay, so this is considered as A, and standard population is considered as P. Okay, multiply P and A. Multiply P and A, that is 30 into 19,000, 24 into 17,000, 25 into 28,000. Okay, so remaining. Get the total of this, and again get the total of this P, that is standard population. Okay, so here is a formula, STDR is equal to summation PA by summation P. Don't multiply by 1000 again. Okay, some students will get confused with that. Don't multiply by 1000 again, because already we have calculated ASDR here by multiplying 1000. Okay, substitute here P into A, that is substitute the number, and next summation P is standard population. Substitute P, that is summation P, here 95,000. Okay, so the answer is 30.82. And it is compulsory that you have to write the formula for ASDR. Okay, so ASDR is equal to, you have to write the formula, deaths by population into 1000. It carries marks in the examination, because if they ask for 10 marks, they'll give you two different populations. They'll give you population A, town, for example town A, population and deaths, and town B, population and deaths. Okay, two different data will be given and standard population will be given in that, and you have to calculate the same thing two times. Okay, and you have to write ASDR formula for that. Okay, so it carries marks here. And remember one thing, don't multiply this by 1000 again. Okay, these columns will be given, you have to make two columns again. This is ASDR, death by population into 1000. Okay, 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000 will give you 30. Similarly, you have to do the remaining. This is considered as A. Okay, and standard population is denoted by P. P into A, multiply these two, P into A. Okay, so get the total, write the formula, STDR is equal to summation PA by summation P, substitute and get the result. Okay, so we have different varieties of examples in this, for 5 marks again and 10 marks also. Okay, so they are very important. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.